Hello guys, so let's quick unbox this Puma Deck portable bag or mini sling bag. Ayan, I bought it on Zalora and it's so cute and it's so nice kasi ano lang siya guys, maliit lang, hindi siya super big, hindi na siya super small kasi kasya din yung bulky wallet ko and yung phone ko na almost 6 inches. Ayan. So, quick review lang to guys ha. Ayan, this is color black. Of course, kitang-kita nyo naman. It has the logo Puma and the logo Cat Puma under. And meron siyang hawakan. At saka adjustable straps. Ayan. So, for the material guys, it is made of 100% polyester which is very durable. And of course, the dimension is 15 cm length, 3.2 centimeter width and 22 centimeter height. The SRP is 990 pesos. For the features, meron po siyang isang zipper dyan na maliit. Ayan. And of course, we also have the main zipper which is ayan. Ayun guys, spacious naman yan for your cellphone and wallet and it has a Puma printed on it, so be careful tayo sa mga fake guys. Ayan, original po yan and it has also a label sa loob. Ayan po, may QR code din dyan, you can scan it if it is original or fake. Ayan guys, and of course it has adjustable straps para mag-suit sa desired nating length or style. Ayan. Pero the cutest thing talaga na nakita ko is the mini handbag guys. Ayan. So syempre susuotin natin siya guys para makita nyo yung looks niya.